Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, what I want to look at is how do we count the number of items in a list? All right. So if you look here, I've got a list where I've got a mixture of numbers and text. And if I want to know what is the total number of items in this list, I need to use what's called the CountA function. Okay. So the first method I'm going to use is I'm going to highlight the whole lot. And then I'm just going to go down to my status bar down here. Now, if you notice, I have a count which says 18, okay, and then I have a numerical count. So this is basically saying I've got 15 numbers in this list, but in the total entries is 18. Okay, so that's, and again, just a reminder, if I do a right click down here, if it's not visible, you just then need to make sure you have a tick, for example, beside the count bit here. If I want to use from the function, if I go over here to my usual suspects, which is, let's say, home, and then AutoSum, right, you will see that I don't have like a count all or on this particular list. So what I need to do then in this case, I need to click down here on this one and I need to go equals, and I start typing, see CountA will appear here automatically. So just double click on that. And then if I click here at the bottom, and then just do my Control Shift arrow up, it goes up, stops at the gap. Now, if I had a heading on this list and I didn't want to include it, I'd need to make sure that the marching ants only went around the list that I wanted to calculate. So I'm just going to press Enter, and there we get 18. And if I do just a quick check here, highlight this again, go down here to this one, you can see it says 18. Okay, so that's a really useful function to use if you just need to count all the items in a list or want to count names, etc. Okay, mind yourself and take care. Bye.